quickly! I want to see it as well! Come
Go
on,
on
let's go!
there. Hold on a minute, children. May Allah protect you. It's really crowded here. You might get
Okay,
trampled.
sir.
Get out of here. I really don't quite understand how an Ottoman has ended up like this. May Allah save him. Here we go. One. Two. Three. The party is officially over, guys.
Take Prince Murat to the castle.
That's more like it.
We were expecting to hear another bell sound. The explosion is not good news.
Oh no, my friend Adelina was at the bell ringing ceremony. I have to find her immediately. If it is as critical as you just said, then they're going to shut down the harbor. I'll never leave and the child will die.
Just pray that the Lord will help you, Zeynep.
Prince Murat, you cannot escape.
It's the blacksmith. Get him!
There's fear in his eyes. Almost like he isn't even an Ottoman.
Behind us! Catch him!
Look everywhere. Find that blacksmith now.
There she is! That woman, Commodore. She's a Muslim. I'm sure she's the blacksmith's partner in crime.
Get her!
Hold on. What's
here.
going on? Leave me! Leave me!
So you're trying to pull tricks on us, is that it? Now I'm going to make you pay for this.
I didn't do anything. I came here to get some medicine for a sick child.
We're going to find out what you want. Let's move to the castle.